I love the city. I want to live here forever.
Forever? What will this city be like in 50 years' time?
The same as it is now, or even better.
Oh no, it won't be better. There are so many people in the city, but we like in 30 years' time, where will people live?
Yes, I suppose you are right. But there will be more housing and people will be able to buy their own homes.
And what the traffic is like. Many families have to car now. You won't be able to well anywhere.
I wish you are right. There will be a better transport system with bicycle lanes and more metro lines. You'll be able to move around more quickly.
And what about the pollution? What with every year like with so many vehicles on the road?
Oh, I'm sure that car will run on electricity or other natural resources.
How neat, you are so positive. But I believe that the city is with beautifully and dangerous. I want to go and live in the country now.